Welcome to Ida's Kitchen. Bienvenidos. My name is Ida Lugo McAllister, and I am going to demonstrate how to prepare fried red snapper, Chillo Frito. This year, I consumed plenty of red snapper in Puerto Rico. The red snapper is a mild-tasting fish with a light, flaky texture. We tend to fry this fish, making it crispy on the outside and very moist inside. It can also be grilled and baked. It is usually topped with a savory tomato oil-based sauce known as Mojo Isleño. This sauce can also be served on the side as a dipping sauce. A link for the Mojo Isleño will be posted for those individuals that are interested. We are ready to season the fish. This is a wild-caught Caribbean red snapper that weighs at least 1 pound, 5 ounces. The red snapper is considered a low-fat and lean fish. It also has many health benefits like omega-3 fatty acids, protein, vitamins, and minerals. This fish has been cleaned, descaled, and rinsed in cold water. Make sure you dry the fish completely with paper towels. With a sharp knife, make 3 to 4 diagonal slits on both sides of fish so that the seasoning can be absorbed for better flavor. I am going to season the fish with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder on each side. Rub the seasonings on the fish and into the slits that we just made. We also want to season the cavity of the fish. Because this fish is mild in flavor with a delicate taste, you can just marinate the fish for 15 minutes or longer if you prefer. In a 12-inch skillet, heat 5 cups of vegetable oil to a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The oil has reached a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. With a pair of tongs, add the fish to the skillet. And fry until it turns a golden brown color on one side. This should take approximately 4 minutes. After 4 minutes of frying, carefully turn the fish to the other side. This fish is very firm, so you will be able to turn it over whole without the fish breaking apart. Cook for another 4 minutes. We are done frying the fish for a total of 8 minutes, 4 minutes on each side. Carefully remove the fish from the skillet and onto a baking pan lined with paper towels to absorb the excess oil. I removed the paper towels once all the oil was absorbed. The fish is completely done when you see that the flesh is no longer translucent. It has an off-white color and will easily flake when you insert a fork inside the slits. Look how flaky. You can also check the internal temperature of the fish with a thermometer for doneness. The internal temperature should reach 140 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Before serving, squeeze 1/2 of a lemon on top of the fish. The fried red snapper has a golden brown color and is usually accompanied with tostones, double fried green plantains. Our traditional Mojo Isleño is served on the side as a dipping sauce. You can also serve this delicious fried fish with the sauce on top. For your information, we also serve other sauces to complement this dish. I think it is time to taste the fried red snapper. This fish is so moist and flaky. It does not require a lot of seasoning to have so much flavor. It is so delicious that many times I prefer just eating the fried fish without any sauce. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare fried red snapper, Chillo Frito. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.